In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your signature on Outlook Office 365. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I first need to do is head on over to outlook.live.com, click onto mail, make sure to sign into your account, and then just compose a new email. So go ahead and click on new email. Then from here, if we look at the top of the email box, we've got a little option that is attach one of your email signatures to the sender. So click on the little drop down menu, click on signatures, and now you're going to be taken to inside of here. So we can get this through the settings as well. So settings, account, and then click on signature. Now from here, email signature, you can add and modify signatures that can be added to your emails. You can also choose which signature to add by default to your new emails and replies. So we can create and edit signatures. So we're going to go ahead and click onto new signature, give this a name, I want to call this Twiz, and then put in your signature here like so, and then it will say select default signatures. So for new messages we can say no signature, for replies no signature, and then once you've played around with that, go ahead and click onto save.